What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you with the next part of the Verlinden Waist Gunner Down vignette. So, as you can see, got the color started on the two waist gunners here. Obviously, still have a lot to do. I'm going to give the yellow another coat, which for that, I'm going with AK's Maze Yellow. I do have my flashlight on the camera this time, so hopefully I can get a little bit better shots for you guys. But yeah, so the leather jacket was made with the German camo black brown. That's a really good color. That's actually what his gloves are natively, just that plain. Went ahead and mixed in a little bit of leather brown, make it a little bit of a lighter brown, and then once it got closer to the end, just to kind of give some red highlights, went ahead and just brushed in a little bit of red leather, just to kind of give a little bit of different colorings depending on which way you're looking at it, things like that. Once that was done, went ahead and gave overcoat just with a larger brush, decanted a little bit of that, and brushed over the entire thing. Green is US dark green. Again, is it the right color? Probably not, but it looks the part. Also with the filter of the panel line accent color, it'll darken it up anyway. So went ahead and did a custom mix just for kind of the first layer of skin tone onto the faces. So also used off-white for the eyes, just to kind of get them ready to go. There we go. I'll brighten this up a bit there. And you can see the second gunner went and kept his jacket just a little bit darker. That way there is a kind of a little bit of a difference between the two. Things like that. So debating on how I'm going to do the woundings on him. Looking at the situation and stuff like that, the picture that you kind of have as a reference and stuff like that, I'm not sure if I want to do it as a face or, a mass wound, or possibly leg. Looks like that might be the other situation, possibly. So either case, when I go to do the coloring for that, I'll probably use Calvary Brown, just to kind of give that dark red. Possibly a different color, like burnt cadmium red, as well, just to kind of give that dark kind of blood color that there would have been in the case. Again, making up something to look semi-legitimate. So the interior is mostly done. So I got the wood walkways all into place. I was really happy at how those come out. As you can see, just got this temporarily tacked down. Went ahead and gave this a quick wash of the panel line accent as well, just to kind of break it up, not make it look all one universal color. But run some of this thin gauge wire in a couple of spots. So I have a individual run down here next to those, and then up here at the top have 6 control wires. I think in reality there would have been a couple more, but just gives the effect. Makes it look a little bit more lively and busy within the actual area. So sadly, I won't have the nice 50 cal rounds. Don't really have those in stock, and might look into getting some 50 cal shells just to try to clutter up the floor, but we'll see. Just kind of how that goes. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the build, progressing nicely, and hopefully we'll have this done by the end of September here. So you guys will probably get the build videos a couple days later, so probably to you guys it'll be completing first full week of October. But looking forward to the next build that's going to be kind of coming down the pike. This was just kind of a quick mojo build, for lack of a better phrase. Just something to just kind of get the mojo back and everything like that. But overall, been actually enjoying this, minus the super glue situation and stuff like that. I need to get some kicker, just so I can get stuff to hold a little quicker. But overall, like I said, it's a pretty good build. It's definitely one that if you've not worked with resins or anything like that, I would definitely suggest it not to be your first kit. But if you've had any experience with resin, it's not too bad. So yeah, I'll quit waffling and let you guys get back to your day. Have a good one. Definitely like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you're thinking of the build, things like that, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.